When I was about 12 years old, I lost my dad to a house fire, same with my 2-year-old sister. And then I lost my grandma to suicide, so family became really important to me. At that age, it was a lot for me. I had to go through a lot of processes with my dad. I ended up in therapy for a couple years. All the experiences I went through definitely have shaped me to where I am, and make sure I care for everyone, because I am a pretty empathetic person. I want to make sure everyone's doing good, and if they need support, specifically on campus, I'll make sure I support them. But even in my day-to-day life, if I see someone that's struggling, I'll definitely stop and be like, hey, you want to talk about it for a minute? I've got some extra time. I'd love to hear your story. I wanted to be ambassador because I want to make sure that the younger generation actually feels that Tech College is worth going to. We offer so much on Tech College between our hands-on skills that we learn, our hands-on classes. I think our campus makes sure that you do feel like family. I know specifically my instructors, I can call them at 11 p.m. at night and they'll be like, hey, what's going on? You want to talk? Do you need me to help you walk through assignment? Do you need help with anything? And they'll sit down and talk to you, make sure that you're doing well. They're there for you because they want to see you succeed and they want to see you do the best that you can do. Being able to represent them now, I get to make sure that people continue to feel that way, and I get to make sure that we uphold the standards that we are looking for, but we make sure that everyone still feels like they are family. It's so important to me to make sure that you understand that it's okay to fail, because everyone's human. It really depends on how you get back up. It's the resilience side. I think the quote I always go back to is, if you're at the top, don't look down on someone unless you're helping them up, because it's important to help the next one in line, not just stand at the top and try and be the best, because we're meant to help each other in this world. My name is Dawson Olson. I'm the WTCS ambassador for Western Technical College.